Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to build a crypto loan strategy using CoinRabbit. CoinRabbit lets you borrow cash or stable coins using your crypto as collateral without selling it. That means you keep exposure to assets like BTC, ETH, you get liquidity USDT, USDC, etc. No credit checks, fast approval, and the key idea is to not sell a crypto, leverage it. So first open any of the browser. On the top there's an address bar, type down coinrabbit.io and enter it. And over here select to this my wallet in the top right. Under this my wallet here in the left hand side go to this loans here. Under this loan you can find to this loans LTV as well. You can find this loan LTV as well. It defines how much you borrow versus your collateral. Example, you deposit 1000 BTC, you borrow 500, that is LTV 50%. The lower LTV the safer, the higher LTV the risk of liquidation as well. And also build market borrowing can amplify gains and be a market risky liquidation changes rise. And this is where strategy really matters as well. And also make sure to deposit crypto on the left hand side. Go to the wallet here and go to this top up and keep topping up in order to deposit crypto and put stable coins into your CoinRabbit or in all the yield platforms. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.